Hello everyone, this is Mayank and welcome back to my channel. So it's been quite some time I've put any videos. So in almost 2 months there is no video, and almost more than 6 months there is quite inconsistency in the videos. One of the reason is that I try to do a lot of things, either coming on the camera and talking and doing a lot more than analysis and everything, like getting deep dive analysis and everything. And then I tried doing presentation to give more and more information. Unfortunately, I couldn't do that very consistently because somehow I missed the timeline in doing those things, and my time, I'm either not able to manage my time, or either I don't have actually time to do all these things. So I have to look back and see how, if I want to go back in that format, maybe how I can do that. That's something which I will see if I can do or not. Otherwise I'll try to keep this format itself where I started when I started doing this analysis part, when there was no one watching my video, and now at least there are 1,500 people who are interested to watch the video. So keeping that in mind, so I'll try to keep videos as regular as possible. I'll try to keep video at least twice in a week. Okay, and we'll keep purely stock analysis going forward in the video, rather than talking lot many other things which I want to talk, but somehow that's not suiting my timelines. So today's discussion, we are going to talk about two stocks which seems very good opportunity, both in terms of charts, both in terms of company wise, and both in terms of global situations going to happen. So we're going to talk about companies in the specialty chemical sector. So I'll first open Deepak Nitrite. So Deepak Nitrite is a very popular stock. It has been a multi-bagger stock. I first invested in this stock in at price around 500 in the month of August 2020, and I sold it around 17 or 1800. I thought that it's like my return I have made enough, but the stock reached up to 3000 also, and I felt that time that I could have hold it back, but we never know. We cannot time the market. There is no peak, there is no bottom as such we can time out. So so now after seeing this current situation, what is happening between Russia and the European countries. So Russia is going to block the gas, as they are saying, because of Western sanctions and everything. So that everything puts Europe in a big mess, where industries and everything is not able to operate because the gas price is so high that it becomes not viable for them to operate the industries. And now because of this, the entire manufacturing is shifting to India. The production of specialty chemicals shifting to India, and there are a lot of companies which will get benefit out of it. I'm not saying Deepak Nitrite is the only company. There are a lot many other companies, but Deepak Nitrite is a very well established and very good niche product they have, which they can sell it to clients, and they can charge premium for it also. In this video, we'll not discuss about fundamentals. There are a lot of things to discuss about Deepak Nitrite. Now let's be very disclaimer wise from me that I'm not saying that invest in Deepak Nitrite. I'm just saying that this is a good opportunity as for me, and I've also invested in this stock in the month of July. Somewhere around 25th of July, I invested in this stock. I'll tell the price also and go to chart. I wanted to create a video that time itself, but because of my obsession of creating a video by coming on the camera and doing more presentation, I somehow missed the timeline. So if you are interested in that, maybe I screen share and discuss the uh, what is the annual quarterly con call letters and everything, from which I got the information saying that this stock is very good from swing trading perspective. Also in the current situation of global this, especially Ukraine and Europe, Russia and Europe, what is happening between gas price and everything. And also this can be very good long-term stock also based on the con call information. So I'll share that also. Yeah, let me in the comment section if you're interested in that. And now since the video is coming quite after a long time, somehow they reach definitely not reach everyone. So if it reaches to you, do like the video and do give your comment so that it can reach to more and more people. And if you're new, if by any chance if you are watching this channel or the video on the channel first time, do subscribe the channel. This will help me to reach out to more and more people. Now coming back to the discussion part, you can see briefly the stock has reached 3020, and now it's leading at 2252. Okay, and the bottom was 1681 in the last 52 years. Stock pays 30, which is not very high in this sector wise. ROC is very good. ROE is very good of the stock. The best part is that they are debt-free company. 315 crore debt, out of which 1067 crores net profit. So it's a complete debt-free company. If we go into the balance sheet, if you see, they have 122 crores of current work in progress. That means they're setting up new manufacturing plants and everything. Those details I can discuss in the detailed video of Deepak Nitrite. So this is the basic fundamentals. Debt-free company, good promoter holding, nothing placed, good ROC and ROE. So basic things are good. Now let's talk about the charts. So this is the interesting part from swing trading perspective. So we'll go to charts. I discussed two stocks both in the same sector. Okay, Deepak Nitrite is the first one. Now Deepak Nitrite, if you see this chart, doesn't have a very significant pattern for now, but just I'll create a pattern where you can understand something. So this is what I am particularly looking into. When I bought the stock, I'll tell you I bought here somewhere here 1800 on 25th, around 14-15 July exactly. I bought somewhere 1800 rupees I bought, and I wanted to create a video. I told you that time itself, but somehow unfortunately I couldn't create the video. So this is the chart pattern which I'm looking into at this point in time. So this can become your shoulder, this will become your head. Okay, and I am suspecting that this will reach here at this point by 20th 21 something like that. This should reach at this point, and then the federal meeting will happen in US, and they will say something which will destroy the market for 2-3 days, and you might see that this will start correcting, and then small other shoulder can also become, and once that comes into the picture, the complete head and shoulder pattern will become, and from there we can see that the stock will start getting the return what we expected. This is chart wise. Okay, the story is not over. This is chart wise. Chart wise it can give you a return up to this, yes, this. Okay, now where it leads, so this leads somewhere here, more than the previous peak. Let's suppose we'll talk about this. So around 3050 3000 rupees is the target uh, from the head and shoulder pattern. From the current, if you see the returns, so this I'll take, this is the closing price from today, that can give you a return of around, did I pick the wrong, okay, sorry, I picked the wrong thing. So let's see this, I will take from here and we'll try to see how much it takes. So this is the return of around 27% from this price point. This is possible, and this can happen really fast. Second reason, because Russia is going to, this Russia and Europe power crisis will lead to plant shutdown and non-operation of plants, because of which this can go very fast from here. So this is what I am saying. Now other scenario, that even if Fed increase the rate and everything, Indian market are less bothered, because today if you see, yesterday this S&P 500 Dow Jones crashed, but nothing much of impact happened in the Indian stock market compared to that. So Indian stock market is very resistant right now, because India's stock market relies a lot on the local economy. 75% of the growth is on the local economy, so it doesn't depend much on the US, at least for the at least what's happening right now. So this might cross also, this pattern might not get created, and will still touch this. In both the scenarios, macroeconomic factor are playing a role in Deepak Nitrite to reach this target. So this my current target, if you see, I'll just drag it down from the current price. The current price is around 34.87% return, around 35% return you can get from the current price. Time frame wise, I think it will less, it should be not be more than 6 months, can be 3 to 4 months also. Okay, now let's talk about the other stock. Other stock is also from uh, specialty chemicals sector only. So if you like the video so far, do subscribe the channel, do like it, and share your comments. And if you have any feedback, you can let me in the comment section also. Second, my one of the favorite stock is Balaji Mines. Balaji Mines, because they are in the sector where they are leading. So they're not the only one. They're not the only one. There's something called alkali mines also. There is something called Indo mines also. Okay. But this stock is doing good in terms of fundamental numbers. Promoter holding is 53. Nothing is pledged. They're debt-free company. 101 crore debt. 4118 crore net profit. They're complete debt-free company. ROC, ROE has been good. Peak is 5224, where they are still leading at 3680. So that means there is lot and lot of scope to grow from here. So this is opportunity wise, this looks much better. Let's see how what happens in alkali mines. I just want to compare these two. If you see alkali mines, the opportunity is 3120 to 4198. It's relatively lesser. Fundamental, this is also a very good company. ROC is very good. Debt wise, net profit wise, it's on the similar lines compared to uh, Balaji Mines. So now if you want me to create a comparison video between alkali mines and Balaji Mines, I'll create a comparison video also, but I'll not create a PPT. I'll not create any kind of extra elements in the video. I'll just try to compare the fundamentals using screener itself, and I'll try to compare these two using the future plans of these companies based on con call letter itself. So that'll give us a clear picture what are the plans for the management for these two companies. For today's video, we will talk about only Balaji Mines, because I have seen the charts and everything, Alkali mines, maybe I'll see later on. I'll come back to you if there is good opportunity over there. So as of now, this looks very good. The only con here is this book value and price ratio is very high. It's 10 now itself, almost 10. It can go up to very high. But these companies are so well positioned that somehow people ignore this and the market rallies because of how good these companies are. The macroeconomic factor wise, same thing applies. Russia and Europe, this gas, they will block the gas, the price will shoot up, they'll close the industry, they'll manufacturing will shift to India. This is the primary reason talking about specialty chemical sector. So let's go to chart and talk about Balaji Mines. So Balaji Mines, sorry. Uh, if you talk about Balaji Mines over here, so this is the chart which I already created before start the video when I do my own analysis. So you can see it's a very good head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so this is the head. This becomes a very big bulky shoulder, and this becomes sorry, this is a shoulder. It becomes a very big bulky head, the Hulk head. This becomes a shoulder. Now I put a line over here. That line I shifted over here, and this is the target which is coming. Okay, the target is from the current price. It's 26.91%, almost 27%. This is one target. The other target can little higher than this, which I will say it will either go to its all-time high, or I'm saying this can also be a target. Which if I put it down over here, yeah, it's the same target which comes from the head and shoulder also. So almost 26.91% is the first target. Second target, if it reaches the first target very fast in short period of time, then second is can also be a good target from the current price point. Okay. Now as a disclaimer, I tell you I have invested in Balaji Mines also. So these two companies I wanted to discuss about. This video will be a little shorter compared to the previous videos because there is no fundamental business and technical analysis. Just wanted to discuss the opportunity since this video is coming after a long time, and you must be benefited if you watch this video after a long time. I hope you do your own research before investing because that is very important. Don't just blindly follows whoever is saying me, anyone like that, because we are also learning itself. We are not some nobody can say that they have learned everything. So we are all are learning, including you, including me. This is something which I found. I shared. If you find something else which is a good opportunity, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to analyze that, and if it makes me money, I'll be very happy to say thank you on screen itself. I can name you out and say that okay, because of you, maybe I invest in good stock, I can make money. One of the stock which I invested recently, which was suggested by one of our, I'll not say the subscriber or not because I don't know, but the person has commented on one of the videos, that is Thirumalai Chemicals. That time I couldn't analyze. I just couldn't do that, or I might be I missed it. But few days back, around 2 weeks or 3 weeks back, I analyzed the stock, and I see there's a very good opportunity in that. So I invested in the stock, and I'm really thankful for the person to putting the name of that company in the comment section. So if you have anything like that, please do suggest, help a lot of people. Normally we miss a lot of stock goes out of the radar. Not everybody can analyze all the stocks and go through all the stocks. So if you together put the names of the stocks, then it will help a lot of people to make money out of the stock market based on the good opportunities. So let's grow together. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay safe. See you later around today is what? Today is Wednesday. See you later around Saturday for a new video.